1340. What's up, guys? What's up? Welcome back to the channel. It is your main man, Boots of Rails. Hey, and we're not at home right now. This is because we're leaving the shop from the last video. So I hope you watched the last video. You'll be able to find out what happened with the inspection, the issue that was found, and said solution to it. But we're gonna hop on this bad boy and we're gonna take it on to the crib. I got like 20 minutes left on my SD card. Yeah, I got to get another. SD card for my helmet. I got the larger one in the 360 right now, but I lost my other 256 gig. So I got like a 120 something. Don't hold much at all. So we're gonna try to get home quick. And if the helmet cam cuts off, my apologies. And my apologies, and I'll, y'all will just be riding on the 360. But yeah, so great day, always a good day to go to the dealership, you know what I'm saying, and see what's going on, talk to the good folk over there, man. Shout out to my boy Glenn. Got Will over there, Mr. Jimmy, Freddie. Uh-oh, gotta get out here. Yeah, some amazing people over there. Shout out to my homie, I forgot his name. Real big into BMX. He was telling me about BMX events that he's gonna have. I don't know if y'all know, like Greenville, North Carolina is like the mecca for BMX, right? So he's doing some events locally. So big salute to him, man. And I told him, man, anything I could do, to help support him or whatever. So he was telling me about an event that he has. I'm gonna check him out or whatnot. But yeah, man, big shout out to everybody there, man. At Ron Ayers Motorsports in Greenville, North Carolina, man. Because like I said, I came to get my inspection done, but but there was a problem found that I didn't know I had, and it's a very big issue. You know what I'm saying? Well, it was, because they took care of me. If you watched the last video, you know what it was, and if you didn't watch the last video, go back and watch the last video. But that's why inspections are important. And I should have caught it myself, to be honest with you. It had to be honest with you. It had to just happen. Well, I hope it just happened, because I don't think I was, out there like that. You know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, check the last video out, and you guys will see what I was talking about. Let's see if we can get home in under 20 minutes, because that's all we had of recorded time, guys. And I hope you guys are still enjoying the multi-views. But guys, inspecting your bike before each ride is so important. Like I said, I look my tires, chains, lights and stuff like that. But like I said, that issue I didn't catch. But it was time for me to get my motorcycle inspected so I could redo my sticker. So big salute to Freddie and the guys back in the service department for finding the issue, and not only finding the issue, but they were like, hey, you got a couple minutes, we're gonna see if we can take care of it and fix the solution. You know what I mean? Granted, it wasn't nothing major, and they took it right on back there and they fixed it, man. So major salute to the guys over there. at the service department, Ron as Motorsport, Greenwood, North Carolina. Got 2,183 miles on there, just for those that might want to know. So we putting the miles on. I think my next service is at like 3,500 miles, I believe. Yeah, it's like 3,500 miles. I'll check the book when I get home just to make sure. But she's being pretty good to me. We had our minor hiccups, you know what I mean? Y'all know we had the recall with the front brake master cylinder. What's going on, brother? Yeah, we had an issue with that. This. Yeah. 1340. Yeah. But we had our small hiccups. But all in all, she's been good to me. Buddy, rolling like a big shot. Yeah, hopefully we get on to the house, man, before I think we probably got about 15 minutes left on this joint. But either way, we'll be good, y'all. Cause y'all know I'll be right back with another video. Every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. We try to keep that schedule, weather permit, you know what I mean? And we had to make this right here. Red light. Right on red. There's a little breeze going on out here. I like it. I gotta remember too, I got my 360 on, so I got to over there to the right a little bit, so I just gotta remember. I don't want somebody to come and smack it off. Watermelon, man. lottery headquarters there. That's it. If you win a big chunk of money, I think if you win over like $500, but less than $100,000, you can go there and get it. But in North Carolina, if you win anything over $100,000, you got to go to Raleigh, North Carolina. So I'm hoping I have to have a reason to go to Raleigh one day, you know, to go cash in. I like to, share information from time to time while I'm riding, and because new people always find newer videos. Everybody don't always find my older videos, but when you're riding behind people, always have an exit in case the car in front of you decides to lock up their brakes. Like my exit right now is to the right. Okay, now coming up here, see how I got this little like side almost. Once that ends, I'll go back to the left for my exit. But as long as I got this little bit of path here on the side of the road, this gonna be my that's my out. Just in case I need a dip real quick, you know what I mean? That'll be my out riding behind the car. If I'm not behind the car, it really doesn't matter because I'm good. But if I'm riding behind the car, especially like on 2-lane roads that have that little extra area over there, shoulder, that'll always be my out, because you might not always be able to dip to the left because there might be somebody coming in your direction. Yeah, buddy, man, it's a good day out riding though, y'all. Good day out riding. Somebody come up behind me and stop, boy, they gonna turn. I wanted to see if I can go in the neutral. If I had a little, I got a buffer back there, so they gonna stop. So go in the neutral, get me a little bit of air real quick, y'all. A little bit of air. Oh no, they going, but I still got a car behind me back there. And I believe we about to go. Yep, nobody coming that way, and nobody coming that way. When you're taking off from a light like that and you're coming through an intersection, especially when you're the first car, or a bike rather, before you take off through the intersection, always do a quick glance left and right just to make sure ain't nobody trying to beat the light. You know what I'm saying? Because people are always trying to beat the light. So always look and make sure. I think we might have 10 minutes, y'all. I think we might make it home with this battery. I'm hoping we are. Hope it ain't cut off already. Don't you do it. perfect place to rev mat is under an overpass. GMC elevation. Oh, that's the Arcadia elevation edition. Gonna be in this corner. And they going to the store, but I'm not. Don't you come out, truck. Appreciate you seeing me. I think we still recording, guys. I think we made it back to the house. Boy, I gotta get out here and cut grass today, y'all. It ain't been but like 4 days since last time I cut grass. Seriously. Don't make no sense, man. I just don't understand it. But anyway, guys, hey, I appreciate you coming along with me today on this amazing ride. Beautiful weather out here. It didn't rain on us, so I thank the man upstairs for that. And we're going to go ahead and get back in the crib, and we're going to do some more editing. We're going to do some more promoting for the show we got coming up. That's right, September the 6th, Washington, North Carolina. It is the bike show on the Pamlico. And of course, you know your boy going to be there. So come hang out with me 10 to 4. Giveaways. Prizes sponsored by Nick's Level Customs, Ron Ass Motorsports, and we got a couple other sponsors coming along. Also, 95 East Touring Riders is a sponsor. So make sure you check it out. You've seen the flyer. So until next time, if you're out there riding, always keep the rubber side down and the shiny side up. Peace.